Welcome to all. I am Nagaswati, working as an assistant professor and head of the Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Mannar Thirumalai Nayakar College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to see the topic of thread states in Java programming course. We are going to see thread states in Java. The first one is life cycle of a thread in Java. And the next one we are going to see what are the different execution stages in Java and how it is managed by Java Virtual Machine and operating system. And also it helps in multi-threading control. The last one is we are going to see the importance for synchronization. Java thread. A Java thread is the smallest unit of execution within a program. It is a lightweight subprocess that runs independently but shares the same memory space as the process. So it allows multiple tasks to execute concurrently. So the package what we have used in the Java is java.lang, that is Java language package. There are multiple states of a thread in a life cycle. The first state is new state. A thread is in the new state when it is created but has not yet started execution. So its code has not begun running and no system resources are allocated for this. So the coding for new state is public static final thread dot state new. The next state is runnable state. Thread state for a runnable thread. A thread in the runnable state is executing in the Java virtual machine, but it may be waiting for a lot of CPU allocation. So it waits for the other resources from the operating system, such as a processor. So here the startup method is called and the scheduler decides the execution. The coding for this state is public static final thread dot state runnable. The next state is running state. The thread is executed and the CPU is assigned. The next, it performs task logics and it can move to blocked state or waiting state. So these are controlled by the scheduler. The next state is a blocked state. A thread is in the blocked state when it is waiting to acquire a lock that are currently held by another thread. So in the blocked state, the coding is public static final thread dot state blocked. The next stage is a waiting stage. So thread state for a waiting thread. So a thread is in the waiting state due to calling one of the following methods. The first one is object.wait with no timeout, thread.join with no timeout, lock support.park. So here the waiting stage code is public static final thread dot state waiting. The next state is timed waiting. Thread state for a waiting thread with a specified waiting time. A thread is in the timed waiting state due to calling one of the following methods with a specified positive waiting time. The first one is thread.sleep. The next one is object.wait with timeout. The next one is thread.join with timeout. The next method is lock support.park nanos, lock support.park until. So these are the methods with a specified positive waiting timing. The final coding for timed waiting, public static final thread dot state timed underscore waiting. The final state of a thread is a terminated state. Here the execution is totally completed, run-off method ends and thread stops permanently. It cannot be restarted. So what are the resources we have allocated for the states which are completely released? So the threads state for a terminated thread. The thread has completed the execution. The final code for the terminator, public static final thread dot state terminator. So today we have seen all the states what are we have used in the thread in Java. Thank you.